family, it's your girl K Stu, and you know what we doing today? We going to the fabric store, and I figured why not take you with me? You know what I'm saying? We've been to Joann's a couple times, but I'm gonna actually leave my phone on when I'm in the store this time, y'all. We're gonna see what they got. Hopefully they got some good stuff on sale, especially if they going through bankruptcy. I mean, you know, mark everything down. We will come and get it. So, what y'all doing today? I was gonna hit G Street Fabrics, y'all, but I just don't feel like making that ride. I really don't feel like making the ride. Even though G Street Fabrics, I think, is the best place in this area, DMV area, that has like real leather, real suede, stuff like that. You can go in there and find a real piece of cowhide or a real piece of what else they have? They have everything in G Street Fabrics. Like, what don't they have? That should be the question. So, alright, stay with me. We out on the road. We about to go hit Joann's.
New text message.
Oops, my bad. Listen, y'all. Y'all can see I'm at Joann's. And look, y'all never stage most time before I gotta go back to my house. So this are all the things that I've got. Y'all, so this one right here, I'm gonna make that sweatsuit, but this isn't gonna be the only pattern. And then I got these new three colors. And this one. 3 more button-ups, and then all of these are gonna be cute little dresses. These right here, and this one right here, this little outfit, I think will make me like a little hooded, long little dress. I think I know the Mimi G dress, and then I got a little extra one to make something extra with. But that's what I got so far. I am not getting a lot of stuff, y'all, but I figure I might as well try to take advantage of some of these sales or whatever they got going on. So now I'm looking for stuff I can use to clean that machine, because you know I told you I want to take it apart and oil it down real good, give it a good cleaning, get all that rust and stuff off of it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take the machine out the housing case, because I'm gonna sand the casing, and then I'm gonna give it a good spray. I'm gonna repaint the legs, so it's gonna look really nice in my because I think what I'm gonna do, I think that might be my bedroom sewing machine. Like if I just want to get up and sew something real fast, or something pop off real quick, I can have it. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But I am in JoJo's, y'all. I made it in here, and let me tell y'all something. The pattern selection in here is so raggedy. I'm at the one in Brandywine, Maryland, right off of 301. This joint is raggedy. They don't have anything. There's no patterns. I can't even get Julian's pattern to do the sew along with y'all on Sunday. So, I won't be there for that. And I'm a little sad about it. But, let me see if I can find the stuff I need in here to assist me. Because I was going to get some can of air. It was $11. A picture that. Not. I'll go to Staples first. Alright, y'all see y'all when I get out of here. Hey, so friends, it's your girl K Stu, and I am back. Listen, I just want to talk to y'all today because I feel like it's been a grave disservice today. So y'all know when I get in the DMV area, I like to make sure that I hit Joann's, because one, Joann's is like 45 minutes away from my house. I don't always like to order stuff online because you can't touch it, you can't feel it, you can't do any of that. So you gotta have a Joann's to go into. So when I'm in the area, when I'm home, I like to come to Joann's up here and see what they have, blah, blah, blah. So I went to Joann's today, y'all. And I'm gonna tell y'all, I have never left Joann's with a small bag. And when I say small bag, what do I mean? Y'all, this it. This is the bag I left Joann's with. And I'm going to show y'all what I have in this bag, right? But I'm so disappointed because it ain't no patterns in there. They didn't have any patterns in there. Like, I looked for Julian's pattern. I just looked for any Nomi patterns to see which one they had. They didn't have any patterns in there. Like, I don't know if they're restocking the one in Brandywine, Maryland, but that joint is ghost town. And I think I'm going to hit the Greenbelt store next week when I'm up here. Oh, let me tell y'all what I did get today, though. So I got this, y'all. So this is the Sullivan mat. You know, rolling, so you can use your rolling knife and all that good stuff. This is a mat. Now, I do have mats at home. But when I made my sewing table, I actually customized it. So it's like 3 foot by I want to say either 6 feet. I think it's 3 by 6. If I'm not mistaken. I think it's 3 by 6. I'm going to have to look it up and see. But that right there is 36 by 60. No, it's 36 by 56. And I think that's going to fit on my table perfectly. So listen, I can't wait to get home. I can't wait to get home for a lot of reasons. First reason is I can't wait to get home is because I'm going to start on my sewing table. The one I showed y'all a couple of days ago. Y'all, I think that girl is working, but I did order the cord. It'll be here on Monday. So on Monday, I'm going to go live. Y'all hear what I'm saying? Monday, I'm going live here on YouTube. And it's probably going to be in the evening time because y'all know I got to work. So it's going to be in the evening time, but I'm going to go live on Monday. And we're going to not really unbox the machine because it ain't really boxed up now. But we're going to add the new cord and we're going to see what this is doing. Because I also ordered the spring, the tension spring for it. So by Tuesday of next week, I should be able to get on this machine and like really, really rock. But what I'm going to do is, anyway, I think I told y'all in the last video, the table that's housing the machine right now, I'm going to take the machine out of the table. I'm going to sand it down. I'm going to give it a good paint job. I got a new chair that I'm using to sit down when I'm using that machine. And I'm going to take that chair and I'm going to cover it in kCharles Couture material. Listen, the vision is here, y'all. The vision. Like that light bulb. I'm going to see if I can put that light bulb right here. Because that's the vision I have. So, anywho. I'm actually getting ready. Oh, let me show y'all what I got from JoJo. So, I got the board. And listen, it was $79 originally. But I used my coupon for 50% off. So, I paid $30 for that thing right there. Next thing I got was, because y'all know it's springtime. It's stuff coming. I got some trips planned. Like I got one coming in June. I got 2 in June actually because I'm going to a birthday celebration on a cruise. And then I'm going to be in Chicago for Frocktails. And then I'm debating if I'm going to do Atlanta Frocktails next month in May. If I don't have anything going on that day, the days they have set, I probably get something. I probably will go to the Frocktails in Atlanta. Because I didn't go to the one last year in Atlanta, and I really want to see what it's doing. So this year, Atlanta's Frocktails is about the secret garden. So they're doing all flowers and stuff. So I found this material, y'all, and I think this material is it's a stretch net. The wrong way. It's a stretch net. But listen, y'all, look at these little flowers. This thing is so beautiful. So I'm really debating if I'm about to buy me a ticket for Atlanta Frocktails in May. I also found this one because this one is cute too, and it gave you that garden thing. But I really found this one because for my trip, my little cruise thing that I'm doing in June, this is going to be a cute little sundress. This is going to be a cute sundress too. But I also, like I said, I thought about Atlanta Frocktails because of the secret garden. Now, also, I found this, which is also, y'all see I'm getting my knits because in the summertime, I like a little knit. I want to do a lot of stretches because I don't want to have time for buttons and zippers and all that stuff. I will use buttons and zippers, of course, but it's easier when you can just throw something on and you ain't got to do all that. So anyway, so I bought this material here because I just love the color. Y'all know purple is my favorite color. And I just thought this was really nice and soft lilac. And I figured that Mimi G dress that she has with the cross in the back, this would be perfect for that dress. That's what I think. So that's what that dress is probably going to end up being. Then, because y'all know I'm obsessed with my button-ups, right? Now I feel like I got to have every color button-up that exists. And I'm only feeling this way because I did the same thing for Express. Like when Express came out with a new color for a button-up shirt, I got it. Oh, let me just tell y'all, I did used to work at Express. So I was getting discounts on the clothes and stuff while I was there. But I just like their quality of their work. So, but y'all have seen my shirts that I've done recently. So I found these 3 colors, which I think are gorgeous. This is a bright orange. Of course, as dark as I am, I got to have a really cute orange shirt. And this one is like a teal greenish color. But I like this one. And then there's this blue. I'm not really, because the other one is a French blue. So I'm not really sure what this one necessarily be categorized as. Maybe like a royal, but not as royal. I don't know. But anyway, I thought this was cute. And so these are 3 new button-up shirts that I will be having. I'm going to tell y'all, my Make 9 is putting me places. And the button-up shirts is coming from that Make 9, because now that I know I got my collars down packed, I can get them buttonholes right and all that stuff. It's on and popping. I also found this material right here. Listen, you know what I liked about this material? I liked because it has like that little, it almost like a glow in the dark. It has some type of sheen or something to it. When you, in certain lights, the colors will kind of change. So I bought that because here's what I want to do. I want to make a sweatsuit. And I think that this will be part of the sweatsuit. This won't be the whole sweatsuit. And I'm really thinking about using that the sweatsuit I did for Corny Rainbow. I think it was her pattern, where they had the different patches and stuff, and it's different different layers and different panels. I think that's the outfit I'm going to do with this, but I'm also going to use this in another black, so that it'll be this in the black. It's going to be really nice. Wait till I put it together. It's kind of hard to give you the visual without you seeing it, but this is what I'm thinking about. And I'll put the picture of the outfit I'm talking about right here. So just imagine that with this and another type of black or something else. I think it's going to be real cute. I can't wait to rock that. So that's another thing that I bought. And then I bought this. I bought this camouflage, like rib knit. Y'all, it is so soft. It feels so good. And I like it because it's a muted camo. Like, it's not that bold in your face camo. This that muted camo. So I bought this because I want to do a hooded dress. I already know what I want from this. I want a hooded dress. And I figured this would be perfect for those evenings on the cruise. Throw this on, little hood on my head sometimes when it's a little cold or whatever. But I got this. And I also bought another yard of it, because I got it for the birthday boy, and I figured I might surprise him and do like a little matching outfit type thing or something. So we'll see. But anyway, like I said, that's the cruise I'm going on in June, and that's it. I'm looking at the time, y'all. It is only 8 minutes and 59 seconds into this video, and guess what? I don't have nothing else to show you. That's how disappointed I was at JoJo's today. No patterns. I'm in there looking, but you know what? I started thinking to myself, is it I cannot find these patterns because I said a while ago that I was going to start just using the PDF patterns. And when I say PDF patterns, I mean the projector patterns. I said a long time ago that I was just going to start getting the projector files so that I can just pull it down and do it on the fabric. Hence why I got another mat. And I'm going to tell you like this. I think it's perfect, but I mean, it's not perfect. So I'm going to get on site tonight and see if I can find Julian's pattern for Sunday's sew along. And if I can't find the projector pattern, then I'll just use the PDF. But because I'm going to try to join the sew along on Sunday. I'm not sure how, but if I'll be able to do it, because I'm going to a grand opening on Sunday. So I got to do that first in the morning. Alright, so let's figure out what we're wearing tonight to this little game night, because I'm going to game night at my girl's house. And I think I'll probably stop and like get a couple bottles of wine just to leave at her house for her. And I got like a little birthday gift for her, because this is like a little impromptu birthday situation type thing. But I think it's going to be fun. I haven't seen my girlfriend in a few years, you know, with COVID and all that stuff. People have really been in the house, and so people are getting out the house now. They're starting to move around, starting to enjoy life again, and starting to enjoy your friends and family again. So that's what she's doing tonight. A little small impromptu game night. Again, I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited. I haven't been to a game night in a long time, and I haven't seen her in a while. So this is going to be like a twofold for me. I get to see my girlfriend I haven't seen in a long time, and I get to hang out with her and party and all that good stuff. So that's what I'm going to do. I was going to do come on, stay, get ready with me, but I don't think I'm going to do that, because I'm thinking go ahead and post this video, because by the time I get to my girlfriend's house, have a couple of glasses of wine, laugh, enjoy some time with people I haven't met, you know, network, make some new friends. I'm probably going to be tired when I get back. And with that being said, me being tired when I get back probably mean I won't upload a video, and I got to upload a video. I want to do one every single day. So I'm going to go ahead and upload it now. Now, what I may do is I'll show you what I'm going to wear to the get together. And then tomorrow, I'll show you what happened at the get-together. So this is part 1. So stay tuned for tomorrow, and I'll show you what happened at the party. You'll see what I wore, all that good stuff. So that's what I'll do. I'll do the get ready with me for tomorrow, but I'm going to do it tonight. So peace out. Y'all have a good night. I hope everybody's had a good and productive day. I mean, my day was good. Hush, hush. My dogs are barking. My day was good. I didn't really enjoy Joanne's visit like I normally do, but we're going to try again next week and see what happens. Peace out. Talk to y'all later. Yeah.